my name is Kancha. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having the greatest day and the greatest week. So, today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be having a different, part 2, in a way, of this shimmer rock painting, gem painting, glitter, amazing rock painting day. Yeah. So, and I hope you guys watched the other video. That video was really nice. It had, took a long time to open that box. And, I love the rocks. And, by the way, this is a new kit I got for my birthday. My birthday recently passed. It was last Wednesday, I think. But anyways, now, it's time to open this box. I see tape right here. Wherever I see tape, I'm just like snippy snip. Because, I mean, I assume that that's all. I say again, if you do hear noises in the background, just don't mind those. Those are just noises from my parents. They need to make them, but that's really fun. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's just hope this comes out. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Beautiful. Yeet. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna snip. For once. Yay. We're just trying to get. Oh, okay. I feel you. I feel you now. I feel you. Oh wow. This is gonna be a tiring job. Wow. This box had a lot less ripping included. If you don't know what I mean, that video, if you haven't watched it, the other video, that video, it was sad because it took me like half of most of the video, just trying to kind of, you know, get to do it, but you know. Anyway, we got some sticks and stones, maybe bones, but you will never hurt me. Okay. We got that. Most importantly, the very heavy box. Yeah. Fully. I like their color. The rocks are really good type of rocks because they're black and we have got some interesting, very interesting looking rocks. That one. Probably not very gonna much use that one. This one is amazing. I love this one. And this one. And this very, very 3D one. Like, probably, oh my god, I was about to throw a rock in. That would have been sad for me. This is also to be honest, I feel like this one would be very fun. Try to paint because I can make like a mountain or something. Yeah, label. Anyways, now, ow, not cool bag. The bag is heavy. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gold. These are a lot of paints. Like a lot of paints. Like, I love the colors of. There's purple. There's black. There's silver. There's this really pretty aqua blue. Is that green? No. There's orange, salmon, really pretty looking pink color. There's gold. There's gold. There's blue. There's pink. I want to mix these two because, I mean, which is, I don't know, because I love the color rose gold, and those two colors mixed together make rose gold. I had two of them, just saying, the ways. No, nobody really cares. If you want to look good, right? Okay, nobody cares, officially. Okay. Wherever you are, scissors, I need to open you right now. Boom. That was beautiful. Just like a knife would cut open a bag. I never agreed to the plan. Hey, my mommy's awesome. Oh my god, that was so perfect. I don't even know how I just did that. Then we have a measuring cup. And that would be really useful because we can mix with that. And we would know, I'm sorry about that, but I just found the missing thing. And it was all because of this little thing that fell down. So, thanks, little thing that fell down. So, now, they also came with some awesomely pretty gems. So, what is this? What? What is this? I don't even know. I'm just going to check it on the instructions. Because right now, ooh. Okay, I know what this is. This is water-based clear coat. Now get it out of here, life. Okay, it says that these two mixed together equals to that looking type of color. I'm like, what? You can see right there. Okay, look, that mixed with that equal to that. Okay. Time for all that stupidness to go away. I'm just kidding. We're going to start with, I really want to make this one. Yeah. I'm going to throw away, I'm just going to keep away all of the other ones to the nice, not horrible side. Now, I'm totally going to make this one, a one with, like, jewels saying, like A or something. Yeah, honey. I'm going to quickly, just, by the ways, make this. I want you guys to comment down below what I want you to pick an animal that you would put on this rock, and what's your which initial, your last name initial or your first name initial. Do that in about 3, 2, 2.5, and 1. What did you comment down below? I think I might be sitting on some scissors right now. Great, I'm sitting on scissors now. Okay, first of all, we have all these beautiful colors that I can't resist. So we're gonna take all the pinks out because, well, I'm not dumb, you could say. Well, a few seconds. We are just going to be taking another cup filled with goopy stuff and watching it. Okay, everybody, just got this cup back. It looks good as new. It is good as new. Now we need a tissue to wipe it with. And then I'm gonna it's right over here. Suddenly I found it. So Now, for the actual type of painting, I am so ready. Okay? So ready for this. Okay. 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 Let's... Oh, man. I can't even open. Okay. Kind of scared. I got the beautiful shade of gold open. This is not the prettiest. Pink, pink, pink. Ah. Okay. 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 I can do this. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I don't believe in myself. Never mind. It's taken me years. It's taken me years to open. This is the pink. So I have an idea, a genius idea actually. I'm gonna take this thing and stick the back inside of it. Or I could just do this. You see, people? You know what? I'm gonna call someone, okay? Daddy! I really... Daddy! Okay, okay. Papa! Okay, yeah. 1 second. Everybody, 1 second. Papa! Hello? Okay, everybody. My dad ignored me. I think he is. But we're gonna have to just believe in ourselves, okay? I never knew believing in yourself was a painful job. Where are you, Tissue? Because I need you. Okay. Well, finally that we're done with all that nonsense, we're going to take some of the pink and take some of the golden. Mix it together. Get the prettiest color in the world. That it clearly always gonna be. Ooh, yeah, you can guess it. Rose gold. The rose is like the pink part, and gold. Come on, that was like, come on, come on, come on. Pretty sure. Okay. Oh my god, that's not strong enough. You guys probably can't even see it though. Okay, let's make this powerful and start actually like adding it like that. Yeah. Hey, that actually doesn't look that bad. Okay. That looks surprisingly amazing. You come in handy, I never realized. Okay. Everybody. Well, this is going to be the back coat now, because Everybody realizes that my A's are horrible. Oh, that's actually really pretty rat coat, to be honest. I mean, let's take some more of that. I mean, come on. Come on, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, that actually is so pretty. Yes. Honey, yes. Oh my god. I don't know, I'm just like so concentrated right now that I don't even want to talk. And this is a YouTube channel, so I kind of do have to talk. Oh yes, honey. Honey. Honey, y'all. Y'all. It's going on good. Let's go. Today's going all Leia. I don't know why I said that. Listen to this TV show, this girl's like, today's going on Leia, so. My name's gonna be actually in a gold color. And that is not bad at all, just saying. Because there's rose gold in the background, that's actually better because I want more rose gold. Second of all, I love gold. Gold is such a nice color. Third of all, it actually kind of shows more than the rose gold. So yeah. Now it's time to open every other container. So I'm gonna, like. Anywho, now I want you guys to comment down below what you think of the so far A thing, and Mr. Foo-Foo, Mr. Foo-Foo, Mr. Foo-Foo. We are back, everybody. I've called my dad. Now, we are just going to pause this video, make a part 2 to this, and wait, actually make a part 3 to this, so my dad can open all the paints. See you guys later.